Here's a video on how to check your STX2 if it's not powering on. So what you have to do is break the rear seal and also the top seal, or remove the entire sticker. And from there, remove the perimeter screws all the way around. And then this pops up. And then the battery also pops up. You can check the voltage down there. And then when I was checking after checking the voltage, I was just trying to figure out how to remove this board. And then the light started popping on. So I knew the board was alive. So what I did was I removed these 2 screws here, another 2 screws over there. Then the board slides out. And I was looking at what's going on, like why is it not working? So what I found was that the switch was defective. And what you can do is actually remove this button switch, this little button part here for the switch. You can remove that without taking it all apart. And what I did is I sprayed contact cleaner, this guy like here. I sprayed contact cleaner in the switch, and I could move the switch back and forth, and then the switch would stay powered on. Before, it was just temperamental. You'd barely touch it, it would turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off. So clean the contacts, and got it working. Looks good. So in short, if you don't want to take it all apart, first try is just to pull off this button here, and then spray contact cleaner in the switch itself to see if it works. Then after that, yeah, go ahead and cut the seals and pull it all apart to see if you can find a wire that's broken. Good luck.